do I tell you that it's important to tilt your head to whichever side your partner has the control on, okay? And here, some of you are not taking too much in consideration that, okay? So the guys here, I'm not tilting. The only problem is I have no control over that leg if he tries to unravel that leg. Not now, not yet. So here, let's say I'm going for the step and I go here. He can start unraveling that leg and De La Riva, just go, yeah, and get me in a position here. Not that it's relevant at this point in time, and I don't even care about this at this moment, but it's something that annoys people and messes people up. Because if you don't have control over that leg, you're about to escape from something to fall into something else. I just want you to shut everything down, okay? He's not holding me captive. He doesn't know I'm the one holding him hostage. How is that? Whenever the guy does the lasso, I tilt. So if he tries to pull that leg out, sorry.
I didn't even get it.
I didn't mean to hurt your foot. Sometimes it happens. Here, if he tries to pull that leg out, it's hard. So whenever I move here, if he tries to pull that leg out, it's hard. When I move my head here, all I want is a little hip here, look, back and forth to get my head out. The reason I have to do that, he has long reach, long legs. I don't want to cut too much slack on that side. Because here, real quick, you get to here and all of a sudden you take your angle off, he's going to get out and put you right there. So you got to keep that leg right there in charge, no matter what. And here, because he's long, I have to go a little bit and come back. I have to use my hip and my crunch to get my hand through. If my hand is through, I go back to the skate. Do you understand that? So it's not a walk in the park. Like I was saying, Bill, whether the worst case scenario is guys with short legs or guys with long legs. A guy your size, you don't have to worry about it. He's going to work like magic. But if the guy has short or long legs, it's a pain because their legs are going to go everywhere. So you got to shut down that side, and whenever you walk and stabilize the leg, you cannot afford to go too high. Because if you do, you're not tilting anymore, guess what? That leg's going to get you in the De La Riva. So here, you go here a little bit, still tilted, and then you crunch and bump your hip until the hand frees up. So that's what I want to see right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up.